ngobuso libhayibhile kumizono hayi izono zakhe bazalwane kodwa izono zabantu wathandaza libhayibhile umthandazo wa-Ezra. Oh my God, my Jesus. Wabisa umuntu osemdesktop, wabisa umuntu osemthutasa, wabisa umuntu akulela ndawo efestini bazokutha emphakweni. Bapha abantu abazothandaza, bapha abantu abazothandaza, bapha abantu abangazothatha abantu kodwa bathandaze. Babuthana kuye hayi bazalwane uyazama beakathathani microphone wathatha speaker wathi wozani kodwa uyinde kusitheleni wathandaza umthandazo wayenduwesa umuntu ndingibandla ndizothandaza hayi bandla elizomemeza kakhulu ngama-microphone umangwe bengekho. Engizosilethela uNkulunkulu bakhe engizosilethela uThixo nabantu abazosilethela uNkulunkulu hayi abantu abazokwenza amashow epulpini ngoba sasandelwa abantu abasepulpini bazoshumayela kanti bayasama bazokwenza amashow emapulpini kodwa sidinga abantu bomthandazo.
uShebaniya indodana kaJehiyeli enye yamadodana ka-Elamu wathatha wathi ku-Ezra, siphambukile kuNkulunkulu wethu, sithathe abesifazane babezizwe kubantu bezwe, nokho lisekhona ithemba ku-Israyeli ngale.
uShekaniya uma sebebuthane kuye wasikhetha wathi uShekaniya we-Ezra sasonile ngcebo kaNkulunkulu, sasonile mpristi kaThixo, isono senzile sihambe sayothatha abesifazane banezizwe abazalwane akababuzanga u-Ezra kodwa ngenxa yento yaphezulu kwandisa ukuthi bangavuna izono ngoba lento yentethelelo idlula uvumeni athi kuJesu ngomlomo siyavuma ngenhliziyo siyakholwa bese kuba ukusindiswa. Salvation is not automatic. So what is it moving like a umlomo? God is going to know God is according to him. And then, none of them will tell you people who let you know that what you know, so that father and run out. That's one or two. Okay, you know what I mean? That's according to him. And I'm going to know great and so fair than that. God, I'm going to know my second. And I'm going to know what him. So let's cut this in and put him 7 years about talk. What I'm going to put on the table second. And I'm going to is a million about 2023 from January to December. God, I'm going to 2024 is yours. The table second.
asenze isivumelwano noNkulunkulu wethu ukuba silahle bonke abesifazane.
Masenze isivumelwano ngoba lento idlula esivumelwaneni. Salvation is not automatic. Mawufuna ukumbona ukuthi lo muntu abambiza ngomlungu uyasebenza. Take the process. Take the process. Sometimes the process is akamnandi. Kodwa kunendawo edlula kuyona. Edlula kuzona. Kunama test ekufanele waphase ukuze ubone ukuthi lo Jesu uyasebenza.